At the first Goodwills of the day. Let's go see if we can find some. Cool. Good stuff here actually, and at this first Goodwill, spent around 20 bucks, but I got some things. They weren't all half price, but they're pretty good deals, and I couldn't leave without there, folks, without the American pickers. I actually bought the American pickers. I couldn't believe I got them all for $3 a piece. Let's check it out. Here, kind of a decor little box for about 3 bucks. That's pretty neat. Got that, this is actually a lamp. It does work. I hooked it up. And there we go, right there. There they are, right there. You got Mike, Frank, Danielle. I hope I said that right. But, and then I've got some other stuff. I got a little Paris thing right there. It's a metal decor. All those things sell pretty good. Little wine. Ain't nothing bobblehead. That's not bad for the price I picked up for all that stuff, but I really like the fact that I got the pickers. I may keep those for sure. Good deal. Alright, dudes, there's Amvets in the Smokey Mountains, Foothills. Let's go check it out. Okay, at Amvets I got just a little bit. There's a couple steins there, old steins for about $1 piece, and these are about $3 here. These are solid metal, like I guess coconut tree candles. All of those always sell good. Good deal. Right now we're at Goodwill's number 2. So what's these? Class of 2019. Okay, so what I got at this Goodwill's number 2. Couple little good things. Let's take a look at it here. Got a lamp, lighthouse lamp right there. Don't know if it works, but it's only $2. I got a lampshade I think at the house will fit on. Then I got a little Tonka toy, which works. I gotta swing around here. Got a little grass seeder spreader there for the backyard, $1. So a couple dollars for all this stuff, which is a good deal. Alright, here's a Goodwill's at the foothills of the Smoky Mountains I've never been to, so let's go see what they got. This will be $1. That's a good deal. Okay, the last Goodwill's is Smokey Mountain Foothills. Didn't get much, but I got a little glass angel candle holder for about $1, and these 2 little football hangers for whatever those are for about $1. And I got a tackle box here for about $7 or $8 that I'll probably keep. It's a double tackle box. Don't know, might sell a good deal for a day. Well, had a pretty good day. Out riding around, testing out my GoPro, getting out in the weather. It was a great time. Just take a look at what I got out on the thrift shops and Goodwills. Take a look down in here. I got a chest here. Got some little piggy banks and cow bank and a little cookie jar down in there. An Eiffel Tower, it actually works, and you can see that the lighthouse works as well. And a little, I call these potato bins, kind of a little potato bin, and a tackle box, which that'll be the most that I paid for today, is about $8. All the rest of these items are about anywhere from $1 to about $3 at the most. I got like the Tonka toys. Also, I got a seed spreader I'll keep for myself for $1. A couple of these heavy duty, I guess palm trees, candles or heavy metal, a crystal angel for $1, and these were like $1. These little football hangers, these were like about $1. These are good. These are in kind of antiquish or Steins, which are always great. I got some bobbleheads, which is the greatest thing I got here, which is the American Pickers. Yeah, I got you guys today, didn't I? That's about the best final hand. I might just keep those. I don't know that I'll actually sell those. That's kind of neat in itself. It's just a bobblehead I picked up. It's kind of unusual. Got an Eiffel Tower metal piece here, which is really good decor for just a few dollars, a couple dollars. These are pretty good items. You know, had a good day using GoPro. Over and out.